have created my Google account and I am opened a new tab. Open a new tab in Chrome, which is the browser I'm using currently, is just the Control N or Command N, depending on your machine. So if you come and you click up here at these dots up at the top, you're going to have a pop-up with all the widgets specific to Google products. Right now, what we are looking for is Google Drive. Okay, so that tends to be up here at the top. You'll see it right here. So I'll select that. It'll bring me into my Google Drive. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder. In this case, I'm going to name it created a new folder called Geospatial Technologies. I'm now going to share it so that anyone with the link can view. Okay. Come up here to the Google Apps. I'll have the drop down, I'll come to Drive. I can also just type drive.google.com. Okay, I've created this folder by going to New Folder. I could upload a folder from my desktop if I wanted to. Do that. I'm going to go now into the Geospatial Technology folder that I've created. I'm going to create a new one so you can see how it should be saved. So it should be last name and then 120 fall 23. Okay, so everyone should create in their Google Drive a folder that looks like this with your last name, underscore, name of the course, underscore fall 28. Okay, so each of you will have worked throughout the semester that you'll drop in there that I will review at different points. Those are folder collection points. We have folders in different places. So this is one way that we are going to be submitting work throughout. So you're going to come over here to share. Again, I've done it already where there's a link to anyone that they can share, but what I'm going to do here specifically is go to share with people, and I'm going to type email in here. Okay, I'm going to enter. I am going to select notify. I'm going to type a message. Hey, instructor. Okay, you can make me a commenter. Okay, I should be able to comment. You don't need to make me an editor if you don't want to. Comment is sufficient for what I need to do. Okay? So just so you know, editors can change permissions and share. So make sure whoever you share a document to, you have a backup and you have good faith that that individual will not change it too radically. Okay? And then you're going to send this. Alright? Now the final step to submit this in Canvas for completion of the assignment is to come here and again select share and copy that link, and that link is what you're going to submit in the assignment itself.